Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E30-10 error code on your Bosch washing machine from 2025, you're in the right place. This frustrating error often pops up when there's an issue with the water inlet or drainage system, and today, I'll walk you through what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in and get your machine spinning again. First off, the E30-10 error code typically indicates a problem with the water flow. It could be something simple like a kinked hose or a more complex issue like a faulty pressure sensor. In 2025 models, Bosch has made these machines smarter, but that also means they detect problems quickly, which is great for safety but annoying when it interrupts your laundry day. To troubleshoot, start by checking the basics. Make sure the water supply valve is fully open and that there's no blockage in the inlet hose. Unplug the machine for a minute to reset it. That works wonders sometimes. If that doesn't help, inspect the drain pump filter for any lint or debris. You'll find it at the bottom of the machine. Just remove the cover, clean it out, and put it back. Remember, always wear gloves and have a towel handy to avoid any water spills. If the error persists, it might be a sensor issue or a problem with the control board. In that case, you may need to consult your user manual or contact Bosch support. Don't try to open up the machine yourself unless you're experienced, as it could void your warranty. Wrapping this up, fixing the E30-10 error is usually straightforward with a bit of patience. By following these steps, you can save time and money. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy washing.